Hello, and this video is for complete beginners. You're just starting, you want to be a web developer, but what does it mean to be a web developer? Basically, to learn how to develop websites. And I believe that most useful thing in basically any activity is to get encouraged, to just get started and get your first success, to get the thing going. So in this video, I will show you how to create your very first website, very simple one with just a few pages, and upload it to the internet. My name is Maksim. Currently I work in Mojang on Minecraft. Before that I was taking part in Battlefield 5 development, and now I decided to make some courses, some video tutorials on how to make websites, how to learn web development, because I'm a web developer for more than 10 years and I definitely have something to share. So the first thing we'll do, we'll go to codevisualstudio.com and download the VS Code. In my opinion, currently it's one of the best development editors you can use. In the beginning of my career I used Notepad++, then I used Sublime Text, then for several years I switched to Vim, which was kind of a little bit of mistake, because in any team I would join, almost no one would use Vim. Everyone would use something more mainstream like Sublime, Atom, something from IDEA, like IntelliJ IDEA editors or something like this. So every time I would be using Vim, no one could edit code on my machine because people were just unfamiliar with this. So I just don't recommend using something unpopular. Go with VS Code. It's the most popular editor right now. After you finish downloading it and installing, create new folder where you will have your project. I already have a folder HTML basics where I will have code for this tutorial, and add this folder to workspace. I just did it like this. File, add folder to workspace. Now we can start adding new files. Begin by creating index.html. It is the root file of your website, the first one that people will land on. And let's begin by using VS Code superpower to generate some initial code for this file. Start typing HTML:5 and press enter. Now VS Code generated some basic structure for your initial web page. We will go to line number 10 and add some header. Again, VS Code has a lot of abbreviations by default that you can use from the beginning, from the start. Let's call this main page. And let's rename the type. We'll go to line 7 and rename document to main page as well. Now, most of websites have several pages. Let's add some new page. Let's see what we can. Let's name it about page, like it's some web store and we have the page about our products. Create new folder and name it about. Put another index.html inside this folder. And again, generate some basic structure using HTML:5. Let's call it about, add some header. Okay, we have two pages. Now we need to make it navigatable. We need to have a link from index page to about page. Let's go to our main index.html. And on line 11, add a link with URL, its relative URL, so we can just... as you can see, it will give you some suggestions if you start typing the slash. So we just wanted to go to about page. Nice, this is very basic structure, but we already have two pages. We have main page and we have the about page. Let's try publishing this project. Go to netlify.com. This is a very simple hosting for static websites and they offer a lot of free plans. I already registered there, so I just log in. And as you can see, I already use it for some of my projects. Coolest part is that they have a drop-in field to just put your folder with the website to upload it to the internet. So we just take our HTML basics folder, drop it here, and in a few seconds our site will be up and running. Click the link. Oh shit, we forgot to add the text to our link. Let's add the text about. Now to upload it again and fix our mistake, go to Deploys tab and scroll a bit down and drop the fixed folder again. Wait for it, click the link. Yes, it works. Now we can go to About page. It works as well. And I can only say congratulations, you have your first site up and running. In next tutorials, I will cover what are those HTML tags, what is HTML, how does it work, some history about websites, HTML and web development. I will teach you some CSS and JavaScript, but that's in next videos. And if you're interested in it, subscribe now so you don't miss next videos. Bye.